Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a twisted bracelet using 3 yarns. They have a length of about 100 centimeters, and the first step is to take the yarns and create a knot. I will create a simple knot, an overhand knot, and we shall make the knot at about this distance. As you can see, I let the knot a bit loose because we shall open this knot afterwards. I will grab the yarns with a clamp like this, and now let's start twisting the yarns. So as you can see, I have these 3 yarns, and I start twisting the yarns to the right for the moment. And we twist these yarns. I'll continue twisting the yarns until I feel tension in the yarns. And now that we have tension in the yarns, I will put my finger in the middle of the total length of the yarns, and I will superpose the yarns at this end, like this. And now I let go of this end, and you will see that my yarns start twisting like this way. And now I remove the clamp, and I have these yarns here. I will make another overhand knot right above my first knot, I will open the first knot that I created, this way, and now I have a knot here, and I have this bracelet like this. I will open the end of my twisted yarns, and I will put the knot through this loop here at the end, and I have created my bracelet this way. So this is the finished twisted bracelet. So as you can see, it is not difficult to create a bracelet like this. All you need is 3 threads and to understand the technique of twisting this bracelet. So I hope you liked this tutorial, and thank you for watching.